Channels like these are getting thousands and even millions of views, as you can see here, and they would be making thousands of dollars from videos like this. I have learned their secret. I'm going to share it with you. So Nella Fernandez from Fit-Preneur-Ship here. I help others start their own side hustle where they are their own boss and achieve true time, location, and financial freedom. So if that would interest you, hit the bell icon and the subscribe button. Okay, so now we're going to see this in 3 easy steps. So first step is go to ChatGPT and write out a prompt like this. Please give me a nice, clean, and relatable joke. Okay, so something like that you could put as a prompt, and let's see what ChatGPT gives me. Okay, so let's say this was the joke. Okay, why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have guts. So, a pretty nice one. So, let's see. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to use this to generate a voice. So, we go to 11 labs and I'm going to do an instant speech thing. Okay, so click on that. And I want to change this text. I'll change this text. Yeah, and I can use either Bill or some other one. Let's go for going for Bill. Okay, so I've pasted it out there so we can hear the voice. We could change that as well. Let's hear Bill.
As we are liberated from our own fear.
Okay, so that's good. So let's generate the speech.
Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts.
Pretty good. So now I can download this. I can click on that icon there and download it. And it would have downloaded to my system out here. Okay, so it is downloaded onto my system. So that was the step 2. Now we go on to the third step. So I'm going to use this to create an animation. I'll leave the link to this website down. It's Adobe Express. And if you're not seeing the symbol, you might possibly be in the paid version, not this one. So once you're there, what you're going to do is click on this plus sign and go to quick actions. And you're going to look for animate character. Okay. So I have already my character here, but you could choose from these various characters. And first you choose a character like this. I've chosen Sticky, and you can choose the backgrounds as well. Okay, so you can take a picket fence background or so. From there, you're going to choose the size. You can use even a real size or portrait size, IGTV size. So you can choose the size from there. So once you have that, you're going to browse this and pull in the audio file that we just made. Yes, so that's the audio file, and it would start loading out there. This might take a little while depending on how much traffic is onto the site. Okay, so that's ready, so we can hear it.
Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts.
Okay, so that sounds good. So we can open an editor and put in some text out there. Now, when you're in the editor, what you can do is just add in some text here. So go to text, add in text, and I can just paste in the text that I had already there. You can move this around. I can change this text around as I wish. I can put some effects if I wanted to. And if I hear it, let's hear how.
Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts.
Okay, so it sounds pretty good. Now, if you want to animate this, you could also use things like vid.io, and you can have the text sync with the speech. Okay, and what you have to do is download this onto your computer and upload it to any of your social media channels. So that's about it. Now, how do you go about monetizing this? So if you are looking at monetizing, the best way is to have it a link in your bio to various products, especially affiliate products. Have a call to action for them to click on the link in your bio. You can also have them DM you and you send them the link in a DM. Now, how do you go about doing this at a high level? I have a free training available in our group. So in case you're interested in getting to know about how you can monetize a channel like this, click the link in the description below. Now, with this training, I've had my $1,000 and $2,000 days. So it's well worth it. Have a look at it, and I'll catch you in the other videos where I talk about faceless videos and also how to start a side hustle. So I'll see you there. Take care.